Right now, your phone has 5 settings that are actively making it easier for scammers to steal your card details. Not hypothetically, not someday. Right now, while it is sitting in your pocket, while you are browsing, while you are standing in a checkout line. Today, we are shutting all 5 of them down. Grab your phone, let's go. First one, NFC. This is the technology that powers Tap to Pay, and it is also the reason security researchers confirmed in 2026 that a piece of malware called Ngate is actively draining Android users' bank accounts. Here's how it works. The malware runs silently in the background. It relays your NFC card signal to an attacker's device nearby. They walk up to an ATM. They withdraw your money. You never felt a thing. The fix is one habit. Turn NFC on right before you pay. The second the transaction clears, go back into settings and turn it off. That is it. And while you are in settings, make sure your screen lock is active. PIN, fingerprint, Face ID, something. Because if your phone is unlocked and someone grabs it, NFC being on or off is the least of your problems. Pull up Settings, search NFC, toggle it off. Build the habit. Done. Now open Chrome. Tap the 3 dots in the top right. Go to Settings, then tap Payment Methods. Before anything else, make sure Save and Fill Payment Methods is turned on. You need this active for the next setting to work. Now look for the setting called Verify that it's you to autofill payment methods. It is off by default. That means Chrome is currently handing your full card number to any website, anytime, with zero confirmation from you. Someone picks up your unlocked phone, they are shopping with your card in 30 seconds. Turn that toggle on. Now Chrome requires your fingerprint or Face ID before it touches your payment details. One toggle, physical lock between your card and the internet. Still inside Payment Methods, find Save Security Codes. Turn it off. Here's why this one matters so much. Your CVC, the 3-digit code on the back of your card, exists for one reason only: to prove the person buying something is physically holding the card. The moment that code is saved anywhere, that protection is completely gone. Card number leaked in a data breach? Expiration date exposed? If your CVC is already saved, the scammer has everything they need. Full card, full access. 3 digits. Type it manually every single time. That is 4 seconds of your life that keeps your account from being emptied. Now look at the list of saved cards sitting in Chrome Payment Methods. How many of those are expired? Old accounts? Cards you haven't touched in 2 years? Every single one is a liability. If Chrome is ever compromised, every card on that list is exposed. Here's the important part. If a card shows it is saved in Google Pay, you cannot delete it from Chrome. You need to go into the Google Pay app directly and remove it from there. Chrome will just redirect you. For cards saved only in Chrome, tap the entry, hit the delete icon at the top, and remove it. Go through every card you do not actively use right now. Clean the list completely. The fewer cards sitting there, the smaller your attack surface. Before we kill the last setting, real quick, if you want a complete checklist of every hidden payment, privacy, and security setting on your Android, I put together a completely free mobile shield guide. Every setting, step by step. Grab it from the link at the top of the description right now so your phone stops working against you. Alright, last one. Back in Chrome settings, tap Addresses and More. This is on by default. What it does is automatically share your name, phone number, email, and home address with every third-party site you shop on. Every checkout form, every delivery page, every site you have ever bought anything from. Third-party sites get breached, they get sold, they get scraped. And when that happens, your home address goes with it. Turn this toggle completely off. Yes, you will type your address manually at checkout. That is the point. You enter it once, the purchase goes through, and that site never gets to hold your personal data permanently. The transaction ends. Your information does not live on. 5 settings, all closed. NFC is off. Chrome requires your biometrics before touching your card. your CVC is never being saved again. Your old dead cards are deleted, and your home address is no longer being handed out automatically to every site you shop on. Drop a comment below. How many old saved cards did you just find sitting in Chrome? I want to know. But here's the thing. Locking down your payments means nothing if ads and trackers are still burning through your data and battery every time you open a browser. Click the video on your screen right now. Block all ads on your phone without downloading anything. I'm going to show you the exact network-level trick that strips ads out of every app and every browser on your phone. No download, no subscription, nothing to install. Click right there. Make sure you are subscribed to the Software Navigator, and I will see you in that video.